Good morning, it's another day on our wild camping. The night was quite rough, quite cold, very cold actually, but very peaceful and beautiful. We've put up the fire and I'm going to have a porridge, so we are boiling some water, and this is a very easy thing to have. You only put some boiling water and I will mix it. It's mango with oats, so that's what I'm going to have, and later maybe we'll have scrambled eggs. This porridge is with turmeric, goji berries, mango, so very good for the immune system. Second breakfast is ready. As I mentioned yesterday, I was gifted Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and it's 18 in 1. You can use it for everything, for washing your hands, face, body, washing your dishes in nature. And that is what I'm doing right now. It's biodegradable, organic, without any synthetics, chemicals, fair trade, and amazing. You can see it lathers up as if you used something to wash your dishes with. And this has a nice peppermint smell. Also for my Polish subscribers. Jak wspomniałam wczoraj, to dostałam mydło doktora Bronnera, DR Bronner Polska, 18 w jednym, biodegradowalne, olejki organiczne, ekologiczne, bez żadnych syntetyków, syntetycznych materiałów, chemii. Także sprawdźcie sobie w opisie na dole mydło DR Bronner Polska. So you can check DR Bronner Poland in my description box below for soaps, toothpastes and other stuff that you can use in the nature, because you must leave no trace. I used this soap for my hands and face yesterday evening. Także użyłam tego mydła do twarzy, do rąk wczoraj. We are going on some shorter hikes to see some things here in the forest and the nearby area. It's very cold, and I think after 2 nights we are going to stay in some cheap rooms or hostel to relax a little bit more, because it's impossible to function. It's around 7 degrees Celsius, and during the night around 0 Celsius. We've reached a panorama view of some lakes here. It's very beautiful, cold but beautiful. So we took another hike to underground caves or bunkers, where part of the Polish army was defending themselves and these forest and region against the German Gestapo. And you can see the white and red Polish flags on the trees, and over there is the underground cave. So we made a loop around this big lake that you could see here. It was a hike, so we made a loop and we are going to make dinner. And my mattress, which was found and old, I think it appears it has a small hole because already some air went out, so sleep wasn't comfortable apart from the cold. So as I said, one last night and then we'll stay a few nights in a hostel of some sorts. Polish dumplings.